Hello, this video is going to be about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. First things first, photosynthesis has to start with the sun. This has to do with photosynthesis and where plants get their energy. And how do plants get their energy? Well, the sun sends light down to the chloroplast. This causes the water to split and makes oxygen. At the same time the plant is doing this, it builds sugars from the chloroplast and carbon dioxide and is taking water into it. At this point, this is where my favorite animal comes in, the elephant, where elephants are herbivores and consume plants such as fruit, unfortunately, and then which these herbivores can break down the sugars that plants make and break them down, which the cellular respiration occurs. At this time, the cell also gives oxygen, which us humans and animals breathe as well. The sugar that the plants make turn into ATP, which is ways that my fellow elephants can protect themselves, fighting or playing or getting branches from trees down or getting more food. This ATP energy allows the elephant to release CO2, which is right here, which goes back to the plant, which the sun gives energy to the plant. So it's a big circle of life. The plants need the elephants or other types of animals, and these big boys, I like to call them, need to give off CO2 for the plants to do their job.